What's up guys, it's James from Studio 1329. We've got our lights here, little Jeep logo coming at you down when you're driving down the street. And so pretty easy to install. Pop your hood. There's 7 inserts. They clip right in, and then they have 1 pigtail each. You clip them right into the front. You don't even have to take them off. To do this job, you need a whole 3 tools. Probably get away with 2. So this is just a little puller for the little plastic tabs here that hold down the grill. It just pops. You could use a screwdriver, but then you tend to scratch your plastic. A 10mm socket, or you could use a socket. This guy, just for taking off your battery, and a pair of wire clippers. That's just for cleaning up your zip ties, which are included with it. And then a flashlight does help a little, which we're going to use here. So once you pop the 6 tabs off here, push these guys in, you just lean it forward a little. There's 1 string of screw-on lights, screws right on, and you just tuck your wire in behind here. Comes up right here, zip tie it down, positive to positive, negative to negative on the battery, pop. And then I just attached it with some zip ties here, ran it across the back. The resistor here, I just clip back, has a piece of metal on it, so just for safety, flip that guy back. This black wire runs all the way around, and then if you look down there, you can see it running through. You see it running through the firewall there. You can use a coat hanger. I use a simple piece of metal. It comes out right here. Just pull the side panel off with that little tab. Comes out back here. Goes to a little plug, which then goes to your light, which is your on-off switch. So that is one way to wire it. The other way to wire it is some guys and gals have your switcher in your vehicle to switch your rock lights, to switch your light bars, all the good stuff. And so if you have an empty slot in that, you can plug it into those. Just make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommendations for that device, so you don't burn anything up. So this is just how I wired it. You wire it the way you feel is best. Obviously, if you set your car on fire, Studio 1329 is not responsible for that, but I don't think you're gonna do that, so don't worry about it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys love it as much as I do. Have a great day.